Alrighty, so this morning we're doing some work here. I bought this old wood burning stove on the farmer's auction some time ago. It's interesting. It's a wood burning stove. Put your wood in here. You see there's the chimney, but it's a double layered cast iron design. So you can see there's water that goes in that sleeve, and it can be piped into, I suppose, a geyser or a cistern. I'm just thinking of using it for room heating. So I bought the chimney pipes for it. They come in pieces. This is a 500 ml piece, and then this here is the bend. Now that will go through the wall. So I want to go through the wall and out. I don't want to go up through the ceiling because I don't want to penetrate the roof and create problems there. So I want to go through here. So I'm drilling a hole through here, making a huge mess here. One of the privileges of living alone. You're not got someone nagging. You're making a mess in the lounge. Yeah. So I'm cutting through the outside here, using my trusty, reliable Ryobi big ass drill. But as we're cutting through, I'm cutting through from both sides, measuring, correctly. But you can see a lot of the construction here. I mean, these are basically mud brick. It's been used here. Now that I saw when we were doing some initial work here. So it's a real combination over the years: mud brick, sunburnt brick, kiln dried brick combos. Yeah, so that's what I'm up to now. All right, so this is the hole from the inside. Look, there's even some, I'm right in the hole here. So you can see there's different brick. There's some cement bricks here. These are the ones you're going to chop out now. That's the cavity. So when I built here, I built this wall here to give stability. It was really wonky. But that's what there was there originally. Look at that, we're right in the cavity here. Okay, so I've put this in temporarily just to get the positions right, just to make sure everything is. So I got through the wall there. Quite a bit easier than I thought, because I thought that this whole wall is like over 600 millimeters thick. You can see there. I thought, gee, what tools? My drill, my hammer drill. You see, I've got the chisel thingy on there, so it's like a hammer drill function. I thought it wouldn't go through because I thought I had to go get longer bits. It just goes to show you must start first, you know. Make a start and see how it goes. Let's see how level we are. Yeah, so that's a bit off level. It must go a bit that away. But I'll move the stove, of course, not the chimney. Let's check this way. Yeah, okay, that's a bit off. So that must lean in more this way. Oh wow. Okay, so that also means the stove must go a bit backish towards the wall and a bit towards my bedroom. So it comes out. Let's check on the outside here. Yeah, so that comes out there. You can see it's popping out there quite nicely. Now the idea is, I've got another meter length, but I think it's going to need another one. But let's see. I'm going to put it up, test the whole thing, see where the problems are, and then make adjustments to my thinking. Hey, is that the way to do it, guys? Let me know what you think.
Or rattle cutters. A trip there would be fruitless, and the visitor would be sent on his way. Whether at the request of the...
So I must say I'm happy with the way the fireplace project turned out. Very useful, very warm, burns super hot in winter. There's the chimney pipe out there. Yeah, love it.